three, Anthony Davis sitting out because of injury. Here's Curry off the steal. And look out, Curry slipped. And now shoots for three. I didn't see that. I was looking up the other end. We'll get the replay in a moment. Myron Williams picked by Giannis. And then a quick ball. And knocking it down. The Jazz red hot from behind the arc. And the Jazz now open up a 5-11 lead. Another Mountain America Credit Union three-point shot. And $50 to the Huntsman Cancer Foundation. Jazz putting on the clinic here. These first now open up a 5-11 lead. Another Mountain America. Bucks have been able to keep it close here in the first half. 7.1 remaining in the quarter.
Well, I mean, an air ball last year, I'd be concerned, but we've seen Giannis have big comebacks after shooting the air ball, shooting the basketball against Utah. Shot an air ball, had a 21-point third quarter, knocked down.